Hello, and welcome. Today, I want to share something profound with you. Believe you can, and you are halfway there. It's a simple yet powerful truth that holds the key to transforming your life. Often, we overlook the power of belief, thinking that success or change is a far-off goal that requires a monumental effort. But in reality, belief is the very force that propels you forward. If you believe that you can achieve something, you've already taken the most crucial step toward making it a reality. You see, belief is the beginning of all things. It's the foundation upon which everything is built. Without belief, all the actions you take will lack purpose and direction. But when you believe, everything changes. The universe aligns itself with your belief, and opportunities begin to appear. But belief alone is not enough. It must be accompanied by imagination and persistence. Your belief, combined with your ability to visualize the desired outcome, can shape your reality. Imagine for a moment that you have a goal, whether it's achieving success in your career, improving your health, or manifesting more abundance in your life. The first step is not taking action, it's believing that you can. Once you truly believe in your ability to accomplish something, you open the door for that possibility to materialize. It's a law of the universe. What you believe in shapes what you experience. The key is to not get bogged down by doubt. Doubt will always try to creep in, but it's important to recognize that it is simply a product of the mind, not reality. Your mind will try to tell you that what you desire is impossible, that your dreams are out of reach. But the truth is, your mind is just a tool, and you have the power to control it. When doubt arises, remind yourself that belief is the key. You are already halfway there because you believe in your ability to succeed. It's easy to be overwhelmed by the complexity of life's challenges. We look at the hurdles ahead of us, and they seem insurmountable. But if you break it down, if you focus on your belief first, the path becomes clearer. Your belief will guide your actions, your decisions, and even the way you respond to challenges. Rather than viewing obstacles as roadblocks, you'll begin to see them as opportunities for growth and learning. When you believe, you approach life with a sense of purpose, knowing that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. Think of belief as the seed you plant in your mind. Just as a seed needs water, sunlight, and care to grow, your belief needs attention. You must nurture it every day. Speak to yourself with affirmations. Visualize your success. Remind yourself of your strengths and capabilities. Each time you reinforce your belief, you are watering that seed, helping it grow into the reality you desire. But belief isn't just about wishful thinking. It's about taking consistent, inspired action toward your goals. When you believe in your abilities, you will naturally feel compelled to take the necessary steps to bring your dreams to fruition. Action flows effortlessly from belief. Without belief, you may struggle to find the motivation to act. But when you believe, even the smallest steps become meaningful because you know they are leading you toward your desired outcome. As you move forward, note that setbacks are not signs of failure. They are simply part of the process. Every great achievement comes with challenges. It's not about avoiding difficulties, it's about how you respond to them. When you believe, setbacks become opportunities to strengthen your resolve. You see them as temporary detours rather than insurmountable obstacles. Your belief carries you through the toughest times, reminding you that your success is inevitable. Now, let's talk about the power of imagination. Imagination is the vehicle that drives belief into reality. What you can imagine, you can achieve. It's through imagination that you first see the possibilities. Imagination allows you to create a mental picture of your success, which, in turn, reinforces your belief that it can happen. When you imagine the life you desire, you are not just daydreaming. You are laying the groundwork for it to become real. To harness the full power of your belief, you must learn to imagine with clarity and purpose. See yourself already living the life you desire. Feel the emotions associated with your success. Imagine the joy, the satisfaction, and the pride. The more vividly you can imagine it, the stronger your belief will become. This is where the real magic happens. The universe, responding to your imagination and belief, begins to align with your desires. People, circumstances, and events show up in your life, all playing their part in bringing your vision to life. Belief is also the antidote to fear. Fear arises when we doubt our abilities or when we focus too much on the negative possibilities. But when you believe in your potential, fear has no power over you. You move through life with confidence, knowing that your belief will carry you through whatever comes your way. Fear may still try to make an appearance, but belief will overpower it every time. The road to success is not always smooth. There will be times when things seem uncertain, when the future feels unclear. But in those moments, return to your belief. Remind yourself that as long as you believe in your ability to achieve your goals, you are already on the path to success. Your belief is a compass that guides you through the uncertainty, pointing you toward your true north. Sometimes, we look at others and compare ourselves to them, thinking that they have something we don't. But the truth is, everyone has the potential to succeed. The difference lies in belief. Those who succeed are not necessarily more talented or more fortunate. They simply believe in their own potential. They have a strong, unwavering belief that their dreams are achievable, and they act accordingly. If you want to unlock the doors of possibility in your life, start with belief. Believe that you can achieve what you desire. Believe that you are worthy of success and happiness. Believe that you have the power to shape your reality. And when you believe, you are halfway there. The rest will fall into place. There's a saying, what you believe, you become. It's a simple yet profound truth. If you believe that you are capable, you will become capable. If you believe that you are worthy, you will attract opportunities that affirm your worth. Belief is not just a thought, it is an energy that resonates with the universe. It is a force that draws to you the people, resources, and experiences that align with your vision. So, the next time you face a challenge, pause and ask yourself, do I believe that I can overcome this? If the answer is yes, then you are already halfway there. Your belief will give you the strength and clarity you need to move forward. And with each step you take, you will draw closer to your desired outcome. Your belief is not just about the big dreams and goals you set for yourself. It's also about how you approach small, everyday tasks. When you believe in your ability to succeed, no task feels too small or insignificant. Every action becomes part of a larger, meaningful process. It's important to recognize that belief is not about perfection. You don't need to believe that you are perfect or that you will never make mistakes. Belief is about knowing that you are capable of handling whatever comes your way, no matter what. Whether you're working on a project at work, improving your health, or simply interacting with others, your belief in yourself will drive you to perform with purpose and focus. In essence, believe you can, and you are halfway there. It's not just a motivational phrase, it's a truth that transcends time and circumstance. When you believe in your potential, you set into motion a series of events that will lead you to your desired destination. Belief is the starting point, the foundation upon which everything else is built. The more you believe, the more you will see the world around you begin to shift in your favor. So, believe in yourself, trust in the process, and take inspired action. You are already halfway to your dreams.